Hey folks, Roberto Lee here in Bella Terra, Estero, Florida, previewing our newest listing here. This is 20468 Larino Loop. It's part of the townhome line of homes that you're going to find here in Bella Terra. So the townhome is going to give you 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, a loft upstairs, and a 2-car garage. You're almost going to get 2,300 square foot as well. Let's run inside here and take a look. So you've got this entry hallway, and to the right you'll see the stairs leading upstairs. But first off, we're going to preview the lower portion of the home with your great room seating area here, and then we come across your half bath located right behind this door. So you've got the sink and the commode, and then just off of this you do have your laundry space. That's your 2-car garage. This one has epoxy flooring and some additional shelving, and then right here you have a storage closet underneath the stairwell. You also do have a pocket door right here to close off your laundry space. Now this area here could be used as an eat-in kitchen area to have a small table, or in this case these folks have set up a lovely bar. Then we come across the kitchen, some really nice updates. You have the pantry here, but you've got white cabinets, updated sink and countertops, as well as the backsplash, and appliances that are newer as well. Right off the kitchen, now you see where these owners have their dedicated dining space. Notice on the windows there are plantation shutters throughout this home. You also do have crown molding down along the ceiling as well. Now, last but not least, on the lower level, we have the exterior living space. So these folks have tiled their lanai, and you have a nice size lanai under truss. And you also have the extended lanai version out here, so you can see the beautiful seated area that they have along with their grill. And they've also added a landscaping barrier here for extra privacy, although there is yard space directly behind that row of landscaping. Now we're going to head upstairs and take a look at all 3 bedrooms, the 2 full baths, and the loft area. So one of the upgrades that they've done is they removed the carpet from the stairwell, and now you have this nice flooring put in, and it extends throughout the entire home. So this is the loft area right at the top of the stairwell here that the owners are using as a secondary TV room. And this is your owner's suite, really large room that is a king size bed for perspective, and you can see all the additional space that you have. On the left we have a huge owner's closet, and we have the owner's bath here with the walk-in style shower. You have the corner tub, the dual sinks, and your private water closet. Now directly on the other side of the loft is where you have the 2 guest rooms as well as the guest bath. So here's guest bedroom number 1. And for the closet, you have your standardized bifold type of setup. Then we have guest bedroom number 2, again with the bifold setup. And then we have the guest bath with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower, which this one has a glass door on it as well. All right, folks, so this home is also being sold turnkey furnished. That means you get everything that you see here in the videos, including the pots, pans, forks, spoons, knives, and all of that. So if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.